What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, coach is tapping in. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. I got a jam-packed video like always, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm jumping right into loving on the family today. I got a jam-packed one for you. But this one is from my guy, Rock T. Rock, if you see this, coach want to say major salute. Guys, this is simply put, rolling with your winners. Listen to what he said. Man, Uber is rolling. I've adjusted my stop loss 3 times already. Let's go. Guys, when you're in a winning play, you let it cook. You just simply adjust your stop loss and go along for the ride. He did this so flawlessly on today, making a killing with Uber. And I love the way he played it. We got Uber this morning at 74 off of the crash this morning and took it up to $80. Okay, he said winning winner chicken dinner. I rode Uber all the way up to 79 and bounced. He didn't overstay his welcome. He didn't get greedy. Coach love everything about this, guys. Listen, when you have a play that you are cooking with, guys, make sure you ride it until you get everything out of it and then get up out of there. And then guess what? Rinse and repeat. In today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about a relief rally, okay? A relief bounce, okay? I got Uber pulled up here. Shout out to any and everybody that's part of the money team. This was our play for this week. And look at this, sitting up here near $80, closed at $79.30. We got this at $74, but I first put this on your radar at $60, telling you these moves were coming, okay? And so here we are, even in the crash we had from CPI today. But that CPI, that was overdone, okay? That's called an overreaction. Everybody put this word in your Rolodex. It's called relief bounce, okay? Wall Street knew they was doing way too much crashing the market this morning, okay? They broke all the support levels on the SPY and all the other stocks. These plays that I give, guys, are at certain levels. They hit for a reason. And so when they did what they did this morning, I knew, like, this little crash should be short-lived because it's overdone. It's called a relief bounce. They wanted something to crash the stocks with anyway, and so they used this hot CPI to do so, and then boom, the stocks ran right back up throughout the day for the most part, okay? Uber, if you guys have made money with Uber, let me know down in the comments below, guys. I want to say major salute. Like I always say, guys, be in the Discord first thing in the morning, but everybody else consider joining the money team, okay? You got to find you a winner, even if you get one, and let it do you good, okay? And so for those of you that did your thing today, coach just want to say major salute. Another one, guys, you remember this one? I charted this one out for you guys at $400 last week. This is CrowdStrike, guys. The ticker symbol on this one is CRWD. It's sitting at $435.89. This one was up another $3.07 on the day, and it's up another $1.18 in after hours. If you have made money with this, let me know down in the comments below. If you like the daily teachings or the giving of the strike price, the giving of the expiration date, where to get in at, and all those little nuanced details, if that helps you guys, if you see what this play, then hopefully let me know if you guys remember the CrowdStrike play. Remember getting it at 405. Now look at where it's at. When coach tells you that the way I put it down can change your life, you guys have to trust and believe that, but you also have to respect the levels that I provide. Because if you try to deviate, overstay your welcome, or do too much, or if you refuse to use your stop loss and rinse and repeat, you're going to take otherwise winners and you're not going to get the max benefit out of them, okay? So please remember that. CrowdStrike did phenomenal on today, but it has done phenomenal since I first charted this play out for you guys. Go back and watch that video if you haven't already, just to see. Coach called this out before it happened. And one reason that separates me and why I do this, guys, because a lot of people try to come after the fact. My people can't benefit if something is already up. Every play I ever come with, I get you guys in it before it bubbles up so that you can take part in it, you can profit from it, you can benefit from it. That's the difference, okay? We're not coming back after the fact saying, look at this. No, I remember when this was down, when nobody thinking about this at 400. And I said, this play is about to go to 415. Look at where we're at today. Once again, major salute to those of you that have made money with this. Tesla, guys, check this out. It bounced from 325 to 345 today. It might have went a little higher than 345. It closed at 339. I called these levels out, the 338 level in Discord, and it closed a little around that level today. This is called a relief bounce. When something is oversold, Wall Street sold this off 5 days in a row. So even the CPI crash couldn't keep this down. And this went. So this is also how you get short squeezed. Okay. When you are not respecting the bounce, when you're not respecting a moving train and you're trying to go against the grain. Yes, it was down yesterday. That's yesterday. That means it's old news. Today is a brand new day. Today, they were ready by all means, by any means necessary to go back to the upside. If they pin the shorts, okay, for shorting this and buying a put off a CPI, this might go to 370 tomorrow, okay? We'll see. We got PPI, all right? If this continues, this coach is letting you know this might go to 370 on tomorrow, okay? For sure, guys, you're going to get like the 350 to the up. This is if it's to the upside, okay? So please don't just think, oh, coach saying it's going to 350. If this play is green and it's going up, it's going to go to 350, okay? That's how I want you to look at this. But if it's not a green day, if we crash tomorrow, then you take that off the table. But today was called a relief bounce. Everybody write this down. Relief bounce. That means we sold it and oversold it, meaning we pressed it down so much that we couldn't even press it down no more. It just took off and ran despite the rest of the market crashing this morning, okay? Relief bounce. It was a relief, okay? Like, I'm tired of being down. I'm tired. Y'all been pushing me down 5 days in a row. So it don't mean it won't resume back down. Coach say to the downside, 316 and 300 is still a possibility. But for right now, I want you guys to be patient. Don't guess, don't gamble, don't front run. React to what you see after PPI tomorrow. They'll tell you if it's up. You know, coaches told you where it's going, 350. If it ain't up, then it's coming back to 328 and then 316. The same levels I gave you guys this morning in the Discord, okay? Let's eat in either direction, okay? Check this one out. Netflix, coach told you about this one. This one was up $19 today. Man, hopefully you guys are taking advantage of some of these plays. Hopefully you're using them to your benefit. That's all they really for, guys. I like to see you guys win. I like to see you guys make money. And I like you guys to be in the right plays, the type of plays you need to be in, okay? Netflix is one of those ones. After earnings, they cook, okay? And so that's why we're playing this, because it's after earnings, all right? And so they always go up. I ain't saying they go up for earnings. They go up after earnings. So that's another lesson, guys. You don't always have to try to trade earnings and then be on the wrong side of whatever Wall Street chooses to do, despite if they beat. But if you can wait 1 or 2 days after earnings, this particular stock always goes to the moon, okay? Always goes to the moon. Remember that, okay? Unless they missed numbers egregiously or something. If everything gets pretty decent, they go to the moon. So shout out to anybody that's getting busy with Netflix, okay? And I threw Robinhood in here, guys, because low-key, they have been doing their thing since around $10. And to see them up here at $64 and to know the kind of flack they get, the way other content creators try to speak about Robinhood as if all brokers platforms don't have their issues. just want to shout out Robinhood and anybody that has this on their radar and making money with this as well. Look at them crushing earnings. They crush all other brokerage platforms, interactive brokers, and any other ones y'all think of. Robinhood is destroying them, okay? And so again, this is not about that. I actually like all the brokerage platforms, but I know this one gets a lot of flack, a lot of hate, a lot of unjust and undue and unnecessary hate tossed this way, okay? But again, every single week, month, and quarter, they cook. So put this one on your radar, man. It's just one of those ones that can make you a lot of money, as long as they don't remove the buy button. All right, listen guys, coach just wanted to love on you guys today, get you ready for tomorrow. You guys got PPI. Really quickly guys, always be mindful of news catalysts that could affect your plays. It don't matter if coach give you the play, it don't matter if you get your information off of CNBC or wherever you might go. If some news come out, like today CPI was hot, it can annihilate my technical analysis and anybody else's, okay? Therefore, you have to manage your risk. You have to use your stop loss. You have to do all the things, guys, to make sure you keep yourself above. Long story short, guys, you got to be flexible and nimble. We can't account for them crashing down a stock. We can't account for a sell-off. We can't account for what they say or how they answer a question. But you have to already be prepared for that. Whether you don't hold your plays overnight, whether you have a put in place, whether you get in and get out and you rinse and repeat and get a better entry, whatever it is, don't sit like a standing duck and you just get hit like a deer in the headlights, okay? Guys, you have to make the necessary moves based on what's coming on the pipe. So I said all that to say, PPI is coming out tomorrow. It usually don't crash the market the way CPI do, but you never know. They always looking for a reason to do something. However, PPI could also give us a nice bounce tomorrow if we say, you know what, we already sold off from CPI. We ain't even worry about what PPI is talking about. We can just continue to uptrend for today or for tomorrow, okay? So again, none of this matters, guys. The news come out, the report comes out at 8:30 Eastern time. So you ain't got to guess. You ain't got to get anxious. You ain't got to get ahead of this. You can just simply wait to 8:30 and react to what the market do. They got two moves, guys. They can go up and they can go down. That's it. That's all. Okay. Listen, man, we're going to get up out of here. Coach just wanted to love on you guys. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.